Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, along with a good quality broth and your choice of protein, perhaps chicken or lentils. Make sure to wash and chop all your produce into manageable, bite-sized pieces. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for a delicious meal. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in your pot over medium heat. Add your chopped aromatic vegetables, such as onions and garlic, and sauté them for about 5 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly softened. Next, introduce your protein, cooking it until it's lightly browned. Then, pour in 4 cups of your chosen broth, bringing the entire mixture to a gentle simmer. With your soup gently simmering, it's time to add the remaining vegetables, like potatoes or leafy greens, and any dry seasonings you prefer. Let everything cook together for about 15 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. For an extra creamy texture, you can stir in 1/2 cup of cream or coconut milk. Finally, taste your soup and adjust the salt, pepper, or herbs to perfectly suit your palate. And there you have it, your delicious, homemade soup, ready to be enjoyed. Carefully ladle the warm soup into individual bowls. For a lovely finishing touch, consider garnishing with some fresh chopped herbs like parsley or cilantro, or a sprinkle of grated cheese. This easy method allows you to create a nutritious and comforting meal with minimal fuss, perfect for any day of the week. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.